Guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video we'll be showing you guys how to install PayPal and how to sign into PayPal for the very first time. So let's get started. Open your PayPal app, then click on the sign up for free button. You can open it in any browser. I've used Chrome. Then you can sign up using your email. After that, click on next and you'll be redirected to your phone number page. So enter your phone number as well. Then you need to confirm that it's your phone, so you need to type in the verification code and then create a password. I've used a suggestive password and I've used it. And also put in your personal info such as your first name, your middle name, your last name, and your date of birth as well as nationality. After that, you can go to the next billing address page. You can add one address or two address. It depends on what you would want to do. So after you add in your addresses, you can create and agree and continue. And you also check mark on the user agreement. After this, your PayPal will be ready to use. But then you also need to link your card, but you can do it later as well. You can enter your credit or debit card and also add in your security code. So your PayPal is ready. I hope this video helps you in the next one.